So we are officially in Texas now, and so we stopped to get some gas, well actually diesel, and I looked at the price and I was shook. You mean to tell me that you guys in Texas are putting gas in your car for $2.89? And for you guys who drive trucks like we do, you are putting diesel for $3.74? Like, this can't be for real. Because we just came from California and we put diesel in our truck for like $5.80 something cents. So to come here and see the price up there, I can't believe it, y'all. Like, I could live in Texas just for the gas.
Same here.
You don't even pay for gas.
Yes, I do.
Boy, bye. I can live in Texas. Hey, what do you think about these prices, though? Because you're the one who gasses out. What do you think about these prices?
Man, the price is amazing. $2 and
80 something cents for
what? Gas? And
I would
diesel
be
is cheaper.
I would be driving everywhere. I would just put diesel in the truck and just drive. I would just like take road trips if I was in Texas because like of how much cheaper it is. I know that sounds crazy, but like it makes a huge difference.